Pillar 2D Disinvestment Deficit Counter-cyclic Fiscal Policy. Budget capital part capital receipt. Revenue directly no physical asset or financial asset created. Ex soldier salary usually one or less year. Monthly salary monthly pension. Yearly subsidy yearly grants. 3 months. Capital directly physical assets or financial asset created. Tank missile factory GSEX usually one or more than 1 year. GSEX T-bills also included. Capital receipts. Capital debt receipt, capital non-debt receipt. Capital debt receipt में internal borrowing from RBI, from market, from PF. External borrowing from IMF, WB, BRICS, etc. Capital non-debt receipt, loan principal recovered, disinvestment. Capital debt receipt is more than capital non-debt receipt. Ratna companies, not for private owned companies. Ratna status government company given for the flexibility in their operation without requiring government approval for every small decision. 2021 onwards, Department of Public Enterprises under Finance Ministry decided Ratna status to government companies. Mini Ratna Category 1 and Category 2 made profit in last 3 years continuously. How much? Category 1 and Category 2. National Film Development Corporation Limited, Mazgaon Dock Limited, AAI, ONGC Videsh Limited, Rail Vikas Nigam, etc. Navratna non-mini Ratna government company fulfilling Y conditions such as manpower cost to total cost of production. Example: Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, Shipping Corporation of India, Oil Limited, India Limited, National Aluminium Company, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited. Maharatna already Navratna plus fulfilling jet conditions. Example: Bharat Heavy Electrical, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Coal India, GAIL, Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil Corporation, NTPC, ONGC, Power Grid Corporation, Steel Authority of India, SAIL. Disinvestment decreasing government shareholding in a government company, but government keeps at least 50% shareholding for itself. Privatization, disinvestment, strategic disinvestment, reducing shareholding below 50%. Disinvestment argument in favor: private investors will enter BOD, more efficiency, innovation or autonomy. Argument against: MNC monopolies, exploitation of workers, job loss. Disinvestment timeline: 1991 industrial policy, decreasing shareholding in all PSU. 1998 Vajpayee strategic sector no, non-strategic sector faced in disinvestment. UPA first 2004 to 9 leftist Marxist coalition parties, so no disinvestment. UPA 2 2009 to 14 all government company can be disinvested up to 49%. Rupee will go in National Investment Fund. Also launched CBSE ETF. 2014-19 Modi methods of disinvestment: IPO issue, ETF issue, institutional placement program offer shares only to non-retail investor, share buyback, offer for sale, offer to both retail and non-retail, shut down many sick government company. 2016 Department of Disinvestment rename Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DIPAM. Strategic disinvestment: selling substantial portion of government shareholding in CPSE along with transfer of management control to private party. Budget 2021 strategic sector and non-strategic sector. Strategic sector में atomic energy, space, defense, transport and telecommunication, power, petroleum, coal and other minerals. Fourth, banking, insurance, financial service. Non-strategic sector, all other sectors. यहाँ पे minimum one company will be remaining, all will be merged, privatized or shut down. यहाँ पे no government company will be kept, all existing company will be privatized. National monetization pipeline. Government initiative for selling, renting or leasing the land building asset of CPSE, National Highway Railways to mobilize 6 lakh rupees crore by 2025. Budget capital part, capital expenditure. Notable capital expenditure, capital asset for various schemes, ministries department, building vehicles, union giving debt or equity finance to PSU or foreign institutes, union giving loans to foreign and state governments, union paying loan principal for internal external debts, Atmanirbhar 2020, special assistance to states for capital expenditure, capex scheme, union to loan interest free 50-year loan to state government for capital expenditure like health, rural development, water supply, irrigation, power, transport, etc. Types of deficit, revenue deficit equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts, effective revenue deficit equal to revenue deficit minus grant for creation of capital assets, budget deficit, budget expenditure minus budget receipts, fiscal deficit equal to budget deficit plus borrowing excluding borrowing, FD equal to B minus B, TE minus TR includes borrowing too, budget deficit का. 1997-98 it was implemented as per Sukhmoy Chakravarti Committee report. FRBM requires union to FD to 3% of GDP. Primary deficit equal to fiscal deficit minus interest to be paid on previous loans. Non-development expenditure. Debt composition. Public debt 90%, उससे छोटा है, other liabilities 10%. Total public debt equal to state government 70% और union 30%. यूनियन डेप्ट इंटरनल 94%, एक्सटर्नल 6%, रीपेमेंट करेंसी रुपए में और बाहर से लिए हुए को अदर करेंसी में. यूनियन डेप्ट टाइप ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रेट, फिक्स्ड इंटरेस्ट रेट ज़्यादा है, कम है, फ्लोटिंग इंटरेस्ट लोन्स 5%. टेन्योर लॉन्ग टर्म ज़्यादा है, शॉर्ट टर्म कम है. एक्सटर्नल डेप्ट जीडीपी इज़ लेस देन 3%. इंडियाज डेप्ट टू जीडीपी रेशियो इज़ लोएस्ट अमंग G20 OECD BRICS. Moreover, public debt for India has declined since 2003 and has been stable since 2011. Extra budgetary resources, also known as off-budget resource, are loans taken by public sector undertakings and government organization. Example, government not releasing food subsidy to FCI, so FCI has to borrow. Here, repayment of entire principal and interest is done from central government budget eventually. These EBR are not taken into account while calculating the fiscal deficit, but they are counted while calculating government debt or public debt. Financing the debt. How to finance deficit? More taxation, but Laffer curve and tax evasion, so not advisable. Tax return or tax rates. Borrowing. Third, printing money will result in hyperinflation, also known as monetization of deficit. इसमें करेंसी परचेजिंग पावर घट जाएगी. वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 में ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलाइज में जर्मनी के द्वारा MOD. रिकार्डियन एक्विवेलेंस. फाइनेंसिंग डेफिसिट में डेफिसिट मोर गवर्नमेंट बोरोज मोर मनी. At maturity of G-Secs, government will have to pay principal and interest in return. Government will increase taxes to arrange amount. So economist David Ricardo argues that during high deficit, people saves more because they become more precautious about future hike in price. And if people begin to spend less and save more, company will face unsold inventories, new problem for economy. If a stock of unsold finished and semi-finished goods along with raw material. Financing deficit, crowding out. If government borrows more money from household and financial intermediaries, LIC, EPFO, etc., then that much less money will be available for loans to private corporate borrowers. Crowding out effect. If government forces to buy G-Secs to SBI, LIC, EPFO using public deposit, no optimal returns for households. Financial repression of households. Fiscal deficit more, तो इंडियन सॉवरेन रेटिंग कम. मूडीज AA1, AA, फिर AA1, AA2, AA3, फिर A1, A2, A3, फिर BA1, BA2, BA3, BA1, फिर BA2. Presently, India has BA3 status, Government will have to offer more interest to investors to lure them into buying G-Secs. Flight of foreign capital from India. Foreign investors may fear Indian government will default in repayment, so they will dump it to other investors and run away from India. Flight for foreign capital from India. Dollar strengthen, rupee weakens. Sovereign credit rating is a quantitative measure to identify the government's ability or risk to repay its loan. So how to finance deficit? Taxation बढ़ाएं जो कि नहीं हो सकता. Borrowing, David Ricardo, crowding out, rating downgrade. To 2021 economic survey negates their implication and justifies borrowing to finance the deficit. Print money नहीं. काउंटर साइक्लिक फिजिकल पॉलिसी, इसमें जो ये है ये आपकी इकोनॉमी है, यहाँ आपकी गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग है. ड्यूरिंग इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन, इंक्रीज फिजिकल एक्सपेंडिचर टू बूस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड GDP. हेल्प्स इन क्राउडिंग इन. Government highways build. Private will invest in hotels, petrol pump. During economic boost, less government spending. USA, UK, Chile done this in past. India has not done it. EES 21 suggested India to pursue this. Pro-cyclic fiscal policy, जिसमें इकोनॉमी ऐसे जा रही है तो गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग भी सेम. ड्यूरिंग इकोनॉमिक बूम, फिजिकल एक्सपेंडिचर. Economic boom increase financial expenditure. Counter cyclical IRGD and debt sustainability. Negative is positive here. Interest rate growth rate differential is the difference between loan interest rate paid by government and GDP rate in an economy. Negative IRGD basically hints GDP growth rate is higher than loan rate paid by the government. So government need not to worry because GDP more, taxation more, enough rupee to repay these loans. That is GDP growth rate leads to debt sustainability or debt affordability. Economist F.C. Domer stated, public debt of a country will be sustained if GDP growth rate is greater than the public debt growth rate. Otherwise, government may default on loan repayment. Domer condition of debt sustainability. Automatic stabilizers are mechanisms built into government budget to address economic slowdown automatically by automatically increasing government spending and decrease public tax liability. Automatic stabilizer does not require any change in existing tax law or voting in parliament because it starts working automatically during slowdowns. Example, income tax इसमें less automatically because of slowdown. Corporation tax, unemployment allowance, food subsidy, etc. automatically helps person during slowdown. Discretionary stabilizers, ये इसका अपोजिट है. Miscellaneous terms related to deficit financing. Redemption, repay the loan principal and interest at regular interval. Sinking funds, government creates a special fund and keeps depositing money in it regularly, so at time of G-Secs maturity it has enough buffer to honor loan repayment. It first done in England. Conversion or restructuring, converting old loan into new loan with modified interest and tenure. Evergreening, taking new loan to repay old loan. Repudiation, government does not recognize its obligation to repay the loan. Fiscal consolidation prudence. It involves reduction in government expenditure to control fiscal deficits such as leakage, decrease by targeted delivery of schemes and subsidies. Less quantum of subsidies, rationalizing by applying some new norms for application. Shutting down loss making PSU, privatization of loss making PSU. Austerity, conjusi. 2014-16, government set up an expenditure management commission under Bimal Jalan to suggest ways to reduce expenditure. Fiscal stimulus, when government decreases taxes or increase public procurement to increase demand and growth in economy, it is called fiscal stimulus. Economic stimulus, pump priming to boost economic growth or aggregate demand. Fiscal policy, fiscal stimulus, use of fiscal policy measure to boost economy. Monetary policy, monetary stimulus, to use monetary policy measure to boost economic growth. FRBM Act 2003, central government lay before both the House of Parliament 3 statements: medium term fiscal policy statement, fiscal policy strategy document, macroeconomic framework statement, and medium term expenditure framework FRBM 2012. Originally, it required union and state to control deficit with following targets. 2008, less fiscal deficit. Union 3% of GDP, states 3% of GSDP. Eliminate revenue deficit 0%. 2012 amendment. No need to have 0% revenue deficit. Instead, it required 0%. Effective revenue deficit by 2015. Deadline extended. Budget 2016. Jaitley felt the act is too rigid. Can't address any crisis like farm loan waivers and employment allowance. So need to review FRBM Act and its targets. NK Singh panel FRBM review committee for 15th FC chairman. Recommendation: amend and add Act escape clause. Set up independent fiscal council not yet done. 3-member. Adopt fiscal roadmap for union from 2017-23. Gradually reduce union debt to GDP FDRD ratios. 2018 new targets. Fiscal deficit 3% GDP till 2024-25. Primary deficit 0% of GDP. Revenue deficit and effective RD. Targets abandoned in FRBM. Union debt to GDP. Gradually reduce it to 40%. General debt to GDP. Union plus state. Reduce it to 60%. Trigger mechanisms to escape deficit control. Escape clause. Act provides trigger mechanisms to escape deficit control related clause in Act. National security or act of war. National calamity. If agri output and farm income collapse, fall of real output or GDP growth rate beyond X%. Structural reform in economy with unanticipated fiscal implications. Budget 2021 FRBM amended to provide target 4.5% GDP by 2025-26 fiscal deficit. FRBM Act. Union will decide borrowing limits of the states. Before 3% plus 2% on conditional reforms, now 5% of GSDP. FRBM miscellaneous concept. Fiscal glide. Instead of reducing fiscal deficit, directly reduce it with gradually descending targets. 6 to 3%, 6%, 5%, 4%, 3%. Fiscal profligacy. Term to denote wasteful expenditure of public money. Fiscal slippage. If government crosses the fiscal deficit target. Fiscal federalism. Helping states in Atmanirbhar. Tax devolution and grants. Increase state fiscal deficit limits. Article 239 state requires union government's permission before borrowing money. 3% to 5% from 2020 to 21. Fiscal deficit target by 15th FC. 4% extra borrowing up to 0.5% of GSDP. FRBM miscellaneous body. Expenditure Management Commission 2014 set up under Bimal Jalan to give suggestion on how to decrease FD, how to decrease subsidy bill. Public Debt Management Agency RBI's conflict of interest in 3 roles. Budget 2015 proposed PDMF but not yet. RBI as public debt manager, RBI as banking regulator, RBI role in monetary policy, fiscal council, independent authority to supervise fiscal policy of country. Types of budget: revenue budget, capital budget. Revenue budget associated with income and expenditure that are of temporary in nature, do not result in creation of permanent capital or financial asset. Taxation: revenue from selling goods and services, interest payment, salaries, pension subsidies, other than non-development expenditure. Capital budget associated with income and expenditure that are of long-term nature, results into creation of capital or permanent financial asset. Example: land, building, share, bond, GSEC, etc. Borrowing, disinvestment, expenditure on asset creation. General budget versus railway budget. 1920-21 AC Worth Committee recommends separate railway budget. Niti Aayog's Debroy Committee recommends its abolition. 2017 Modi government merged railway budget with general budget. Budgeting. Traditional or line item budgeting. Simply calculating the income and expenditure without measuring underlying benefits. Automatic and incremental performance. Performance budgeting, calculating income and expenditure with underlying benefit or performance. Example: allot 50,000 to buy new computer. Result: 30% faster clearance of RTI applications. Zero based budgeting schemes reviewed every year and decide continued or discontinuing, not automatically, not incremental, as a fresh exercise. Sunset budgeting schemes are announced with deadlines. Gender budgeting within budget separate expenditure documents showing women specific schemes. Part A, women specific schemes, 100% allotment of women. Part B, pro women scheme, at least 30% allotment for women. Treasury single account, TSA. Different government minimum department statutory autonomous bodies have their account in RBI or different banks. TSA is a mechanism to link all of those accounts together in Public Finance Management System PFMS portal under Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. Government debt, total liabilities of the government. Public debt, debt contracted against CFI, 90%. Other liabilities, public account, public savings schemes, PF etc., 10%.